Greetings, adventurers. Today we traveled to Monson State Park, Minnesota. It is a gorgeous day today. It is partly cloudy. It is about 30 degrees and warming up a little bit. We have a very short trail, so Monson State Park is, I believe, Minnesota's smallest state park. I think it's 147 acres or something like that. It's not very big, but we have a 1 mile loop trail here, and then a couple of points of interest to check out. Northern Bur Oak. American basswood. So Monson State Park, Minnesota was established in 1937. It actually started before that, but we'll talk about its interesting history a little bit later. Some of the amenities that they offer here: there's a picnic area with a shelter, there's a fishing pier, horseshoes, there's a 1.2 mile hiking trail, which we are doing today. And there is a drive-in campsites with electrical and RV accessible. So like I said, it's a small park, so it's pretty much the campground on one end and the hiking trail on the other. So here we are at West Sunberg Lake. Now Monson State Park is kind of on a sliver of land that's a sandwich between two lakes, this West Sunberg, and then we're going to see Monson Lake in a little bit. And there is a guy driving a tractor with a trailer over the lake. Box elder. What a beautiful spot. This spot wasn't even marked on their own state park map. Time to update their map. Alright, adventurers, I am back here in the parking lot. Or not quite the parking lot, but the picnic area. And there's a shelter right behind me. This park was founded in 1937. At the time, the Veterans Conservation Council, they were working at Sibley State Park, and they wanted to improve this park, so they came over and built some structures here as well. So it was the same group at Sibley State Park that built these. They built a trail, they made the trail, they built these structures, and Monson State Park is the only state park in Minnesota that has not changed ever since it was constructed in 1937. Here we are inside the nice big picnic area, picnic shelter. It's the fireplace, picnic tables. Looks like you got maybe 2 restrooms. I'm not sure if you have to reserve this place and have them unlock it for you or what, but there are locks on it. All right, there's one more place we need to go check out real quick. So here we are. This is right at the entrance of the park. This is a memorial. So Minnesota was founded in 1858? No, I don't know. Minnesota had recently been founded, and settlers were flocking to Minnesota and buying up land all across Minnesota. A family bought their land here and started up a settlement with a couple of other families, and started a settlement here in this area. But when the Dakota-U.S. War broke out in 1862, they had no idea that the war had broken out. But the Dakota Indians came in here and ended up massacring 13 of the settlers. At that point, a lot of settlers started leaving the area, but a memorial was resurrected here in 1962. This was placed here, but this area was actually named a memorial site originally when it was a state park. It was actually called Monson Memorial State Park, but then later they ended up dropping the memorial status and just naming it a state park. But anyway, thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you next time on Happy Trail Backpacking.